Tired of sifting through outdated contact info in Kvcore, wishing you had a magic wand to update those leads? Good news, you practically do. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to edit existing contacts in Kvcore, keeping your database sparkling clean in under 90 seconds. First, log into your Kvcore account. Then, navigate to the Smart CRM tab, usually located on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it. Now, find the contact you want to edit. You can either scroll through your list or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate them by name, email, or phone number. Once you found the contact, click on their name to open their profile. On their profile page, look for the Edit button. It's typically located near the top, possibly next to their contact information. Click Edit. Now you can directly modify the contact's information. Update their name, email address, phone number, lead status, source, anything that needs correcting or adding. Click into the fields and type in the correct information. Don't forget to add notes. Use the notes section to record any important conversations or interactions you've had with the contact. This helps you keep track of their needs and preferences. After you've made all the necessary changes, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Save button. That's it. Your contact's information has now been successfully updated in Kvcore. By keeping your contact information accurate and up-to-date, you'll improve your lead management and increase your chances of closing deals. Now go get those leads.